Question number 16. Okay, what is that? Find the equation of the diagonal of a rectangle whose sides are. Okay, so there is a rectangle. Find whose sides are x is equal to -1, x is equal to 4, y is equal to -1, and y is equal to 2. You get it? This is, so how you solve it? You take the Cartesian plane like this. You take the Cartesian plane like this, and this is like not to go very long like this. So we get, here is -1, here is 1, here is 2, here is 3, here is 4, here is 1, 2, 3, 4, here is -1, oh, -1, -2, -3. No need of that. Okay, they are saying x is equal to 1. What is the meaning of x is for any value of x? For any value of for any value of y, x is equal to -1. So that is what this equation will go like this. This is the equation where x is equal to x is equal to -1. No, it's not like this. X line is parallel to y axis, right? It is parallel to y axis, so this is like this. For any value of y, x is equal to -1. This equation, x is equal to -1. When x is constant, then line is parallel to y axis, and it is saying x is equal to 4. So this is for any value of y, x is equal to 4. So this is x is equal to 4. You get this? Now you have another line saying y is equal to -1. So y is -1 means for any value of x, y is equal to -1. So equation is like this. Right? So this coordinates are what? -1 comma -1. This is what? 4 comma -1. Great. Now you have, this is y is equal to -1. Then you have y is equal to 2. So for any equation of y, for any value of x, y is equal to 2. So this is like this. So this is y is equal to 2. So coordinates of this point is what? -1 comma 2, and this is sure 4 comma 2. You done this? So this is, we get this is our rectangle. We can say it A, we can say it B, this is C, and this is D. So what do you have to find here? Find the equation. Okay, whose sides? Find the equation of diagonals. Okay, so diagonals ki equation, right? So this is, if we take this AC like this, so MAC is equal to, what do you do? Minus 1 y2 minus y1 minus 2 upon x2 means minus 1 minus 4. How much you get? Minus 3 by minus 5 cancel out, you get 3 by 5, right? So now equation y minus 1 is equal to 3 by 5 bracket x plus 1. This is minus 1, na? So minus I did it. So 5 comes here, 3 goes there. So it is 5y plus 5 is equal to 3x plus 3. So what do you do, man? We can write it 3x minus 5y minus 5y minus 5 plus 3 is equal to 0. So you get 3x minus 5y minus 2 is equal to 0. You get this? So what is your equation of first diagonal? Is this. So diagonal AC. This is equation of diagonal AC, right?
y dash और expression a के coordinates लेना.
Pardon?
Y dash को जो
Y minus y dash is equal to m bracket x minus x dash. Here I have taken a. We can take this also, but the value remains same, right? You don't get worried. So this is, and the next equation is what? If we take BD, right? So slope of BD is equal to how much? D minus 1 minus 2. Is it okay? Minus 2. Here I was correct. Okay. And x is equal to 4. Right?
minus plus
And that is minus minus plus 1. You get minus 3 by 5. Right? So now we have equation y minus y1. So you can write here plus minus y becomes plus is equal to minus 3 by 5 bracket x minus 4. So cross multiplied, we can write 5y plus 5 is equal to minus 3x plus 12. Is it? So we can write 3x plus 5y, yeah, plus 5 minus 12 is equal to 0. So we get 3x plus 5y minus 7 is equal to 0. This is equation of diagonal BD. This is diagonal BD. You get it? So what problem you have in this? Three x plus 5y minus 7 is equal to 0. If you understand the concept, so what do you have problem?
Equation directed. This is
What we can do in that? Anyway. Next question.
20.
Should I rub?
Yes.
Question number 20. What is? A straight line on the coordinates or axes intercepts. A straight line makes the coordinate axes with positive intercepts, whose sum is 5. If the line passes through point P, find the equation. Okay, so we have coordinate axes like this. This is x-axis. Oh, this is y-axis. This is x-axis. There is a this is a line which is passing through the point P, which is having coordinates how much? -3, -4, right? This is P. Here it is A, 0. Here it is B, 0. Right? This is this is given you now, and this a straight line makes in coordinate axes positive intercepts whose sum is मतलब इन दोनों का sum. This distance is A. I wrote wrong. This is 0, A. Right? So y is equal to A, and this is x is equal to B. So this is B we have. Right? This is A, this is B. So we have to get the slope. You have to find the equation of the line. So this is it is given you A plus B is equal to 5. So if I say B is equal to 5 minus A, get it? Again. So here we can write x is equal to 5 minus A. So if we take a slope, that is m is equal to 0 minus A upon this is 5 minus a minus 0. So how much you get?
A upon
Negative a upon 5 minus a. This is, so now y plus 4 is equal to minus a upon 5 minus a bracket x plus 3. This is what? 5a 5 minus 5 minus a y plus 4 bracket 5 minus a is equal to minus ax minus 3a, right? So you get 5y minus ay plus 20 minus 4a is equal to minus ax minus 3a. You get it? Is this correct?
yes.
Okay, so what do you do now? Bring this here. So it is ax minus ay, right, plus plus 5y minus 4a plus 5y, 4a, 4a plus 3a plus 5y plus 20 is equal to 0. So this is how much you are getting. Oh my god. From where? Okay, I've gone a little bit wrong, right? How you do we do it? What is the slope? That is correct. Zero minus a. स्लोप हमने अगर ऐसे लिया 0 माइनस ए, they have taken, अच्छा, we interchange the positions, so we are getting, okay, there is, it going to be complicated, we are not going to, we are not coming to an end. So for that purpose, if we take it, I take it like this. So things are correct to somewhere, but if I draw it again, like this is the line, this is the line. So slope m is equal to, 0 minus a, 0 minus a upon b minus 0, b minus 0. So you get minus a upon b is the slope, right? Now what you get, y इन कोऑर्डिनेट एक्सिस में से अगर हम लेते हैं तो y माइनस 0 इज इक्वल टू माइनस a अपॉन b ब्रैकेट x minus b. You get it? Because this is the, where is one? This is b, right? So we have taken y is 0 and x is minus b. So when it is cross multiplied, so b y is equal to minus ax plus ab, right? So what we can do, we can write ax plus by is equal to ab, right? This is one equation we get. हम्म अब ये यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस है, ये है ना। अब ये कह रहे हैं कि ये -3 और -y से पास हो रही है। सो यहाँ पे हम रख देंगे इसको। इन्होंने यहाँ पे सॉल्व नहीं किया, ठीक है। दे आर सेइंग कि दिस लाइन इज पासिंग थ्रू दिस पॉइंट। Here itself you do it and you get -39 is equal to -a upon b bracket. Oh, this is -4 and that is -3 minus we get b. So this is -4b is equal to 3a minus plus ab. Is it? It is like this. Okay. ठीक है। अब it is given you b is equal to 5a, 5 minus a, तो -4 bracket 5 minus a is equal to 3a plus a bracket 5 minus a. So -20 plus 4a is equal to 3a plus 5a minus a square. So it will be a square minus 4a minus 20 is equal to 0. ठीक है। This is 5a, this is minus a square. Minus a square comes on this side. This -8 comes on this side. -8 plus 4 becomes -4 and we get 20. Now right. 3a है. ठीक है ना ये नंबर. उत्तरी -20 plus 4a. This is 3a plus 4a. Hmm? अरे क्या what question you have chosen, man? This is like this brackets. It should be in bracket. -20 plus 4a. Then we have 5 minus a. 5a minus a square minus 8a minus 4a. 5 plus 3 becomes 8 now.
Yes.
5 plus 3 becomes 8.
Yes.
It comes on this side. So minus 8a plus 4a becomes minus 4a. Minus 20 is equal to 0. what you do, very simple question, but it is not happening. You can't get that. Sum is 5, 5 minus a, we have taken b. If we interchange the positions, it is not given key a is oh shit. This is not minus 4, man. This is not minus 4. Then it is not minus 4, so it becomes not minus 12. It is not minus, it is 4. So that's why it is not minus 4. So it becomes 20 minus 4a. Right? So when it comes on this side, it becomes what? This is a square, you know, a square minus 12a plus 20 is equal to 0. Right? Now you get a square minus 10 plus a, 10 plus 2, a plus 20 is equal to 0. So it becomes a square minus 10a minus 2a plus 20 is equal to 0. So a you have taken as a common, it becomes a minus 10 bracket minus 2 as a common, it becomes a minus 10 is equal to 0. So if a minus 10 is common, a minus 2 is equal to 0. So we can take a, so we can write a minus 10 is equal to 0. So a is equal to 10, or a minus 2 is equal to 0. So a is equal to 2. Right? Now you substitute the value here. Right? Okay. No. If we take 2 here, so b is if a is equal to 3, a is equal to 2, so b is equal to 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. ठीक. So m is equal to minus 2 by 3, and if a is equal to 10, then b is equal to 5 minus 10 becomes minus 5. So it is, there are two equations are coming. What are the values of b?
5, 2.
Minus 5 and 3.
B is 2.
No, check.
A is 3.
Huh?
A is 3, B is 2.
एक्चुअली इसमें इंटरचेंजेबल है जो what I write A there is B and what is I write B there is A, so that's why it is accepted in that manner. वो interchangeable form में आ रहा है. लेकिन अगर हम B is equal to -5 इसको नहीं लेते हैं तो A is equal to 2, A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 3. If A is equal to 2, then B is equal to 3. So slope is equal to minus 2/3, right? And then we have an equation y minus 4 is equal to minus 2/3 bracket x plus 3. So it is, we have 3y minus 12 is equal to minus 2x minus 6. What is your equation?
2x plus
2x plus 3y
minus 6
minus 6 is equal to 0. This is right. This is, we have fixed that A will be, A and B will be positive, will be there. Obviously they cannot be negative, B cannot be negative because we are having in first coordinate, right? On positive side it is line intersecting in line intersecting coordinate axes in positive, so B cannot be negative, therefore it is right. So I put my best of efforts to solving these questions. Actually I was not solving, I was just going through your book, that's why it takes time. If I put my own brain, then things can be different. Sometimes it happens when you go through with copying someone, then you won't put your own ideas, and when you are not using your own ideas, then there is a problem arises. We have done this,
Yes.
huh?